In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Collage Maker app on Android. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a safe, reliable collage app from the Google Play Store, install it, and understand what these apps typically offer so you can start creating photo collages right away. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Google Play Store. You'll find its icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in the Play Store, tap the search bar at the top. Type the phrase Collage Maker and press search. You'll see a list of collage apps appear. Take a moment to look at the star ratings, read a few recent reviews, and check the download numbers. This helps you choose an app that's both popular and well supported. When you've found one you like, tap it to open the apps page, then tap Install. The download will begin. It may take a minute or two depending on your connection, so staying on Wi-Fi can help it finish faster and save mobile data. When the installation completes, tap Open to launch the app. If you're not sure which app to pick, here are a few well-known options you'll often see in search results. There's Collage Maker, Photo Editor, which has a large user base and offers over 100 layouts, frames, filters, stickers, and text tools. Another popular choice is InCollage, Photo Collage Maker, known for having hundreds of layouts, Instagram-friendly templates, backgrounds, and fonts. You might also come across Collage Maker, Photo Collage, which supports collages with up to 20 photos, includes an AI background remover, and can export in high definition. Any of these can be a solid starting point, but always choose the one that fits your style and needs. Most collage apps share a common set of features. You can combine multiple photos, pick from grids and templates, add stickers and text, and apply filters to match a particular mood or brand. Many apps even let you share directly to platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, which is great for quick posting. A few important tips before you dive in. Free versions often include ads, and some premium layouts or advanced tools may require a one-time purchase or a subscription. That's normal, but review the pricing details so there are no surprises. Also, always download from the Google Play Store. Avoid APK files from unknown websites. They can be unsafe. Finally, if prompted for permissions, grant only what makes sense for the app's features, such as access to your photos for building collages.